What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing this Moto Million TWM gas cap, and some of you guys might be asking like, hey, don't you already got a gas cap? Well, I did. About 6 months ago I bought this $30 cheap Amazon gas cap, and thought it looked nice, went with the cheaper option, and look what that cost me for going with the cheaper option. That right there, if the camera focuses, is paint chipped away from the gas leaking out of the gas cap. So hopefully with this new and improved version, that will, be the solution. So let's get into that. Show you guys how to do that. Gonna unscrew these 5 screws right here and replace it with this one. Let's go. Alright, so first we're gonna get our beloved T-handled hex key sets. Again, I say it in almost every video, recommend getting these, make the jobs way easier. And we're gonna get our 2.5 millimeters. So let's get to unscrewing these bad babies. That's one. Alright, don't do that. I just dropped one of them. And we got it back. Put this right here. Only 2 more. And then the last one. And we can take this sad gas cap off that. It's gonna cost me some money to get this tank repainted in the future, but we live and we learn. Hopefully you guys learn off of my mistakes. My stupid mistake of going cheap. I think we're gonna need a bigger Allen key for those. Alright, so we got a 4 millimeter now. Gotta be very careful here. Don't want anything falling in the actual tank. Okay, that's one. We're gonna keep that. Keep it in my pocket. Keep it separated from the other one so we know the difference. Alright, second one. Halfway there. Alright, last one. Finally feeling a little bit of breeze. This hot weather in Florida is killing me while riding. It's just so humid. We can just gently lift this up. Open this up right here. Beautiful. Looks way better than the other one. Nice and glossy. 100% Italian DNA. I don't know if you guys see that. Ah, there, yeah. Nice. You can just tell when you got, when you just didn't, cheap out. You can tell. It's lovely. Here, just to put them side by side and show you guys the difference. This is the new one. This is the old one. You can just tell off the camera. In person, it looks way better, but you can tell which one's, the one I cheaped out on Amazon versus the real thing, Italian. It's nice. Okay, so now that you got this piece right here, you're gonna wanna glue these pieces. It should come with your kit, but I already had them on. Let me see if I can find them. Right here. These should come with your kit, but they're loose and obviously you don't want them to actually fall inside the tank. So what I did is got some glue, glued them on here, so when you actually flip it and put the gas cap on, it's a flush and easy way to put it. So let's go back over there. Important thing as well, make sure you have this seal right here. Very important seal. And also you got to make sure you have this black seal that already comes with it on, but you're gonna want to make sure it's there. Don't want it to fall out or nothing. Alright, so now we're gonna head back to the bike and actually install this piece. Now that we're actually back over here, I can show you guys the damage done to the paint. Again, yes, I know I'm an idiot. There's the paint chips. Again, don't be an idiot like me and cheap out. You know, let me be the lesson, the painful lesson, instead of you guys making that mistake. Alright, now that you got all your holes aligned, the way, if you guys see, there's like, let's see if you guys see. There's like writing here. That's gonna be pointing towards the back. So, all 5 holes are aligned here. Now, we're gonna start with putting the 4 screws I removed that are in my pocket. And that is gonna be, again, the 4mm hex tool. Again, make sure nothing falls in, because thankfully it hasn't happened to me, but that's a headache I wouldn't want to experience. Make sure these are tight. Again, don't want any gas coming out. Learn from me, guys. Learn from me. That's all I'm gonna say. It's so hot and humid outside. I feel the sweat dripping off my back. Just a breathalyzer pool. ¿Qué pasó? Alright. Had to take a break right there. Neighbor started shining it up. So here we got the new one. New and improved version. Again, good way to recognize Italian logo right here. Flag goes towards the back. We're gonna grab our 5 screws that I got in my pocket. That came with the packaging again. Oh, forgot. We're gonna use our, I believe, 2.5, right? 2.5mm hex screw. Start screwing this in, man. And it's really that easy. Quick shipping. Boom, that's it. Looking lovely. Let me show you guys a little up close. Alright guys, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Right here, I'll put the link in the description if you guys are interested in buying it. But not much changes have been done to the bike. You know, obviously if you saw the last video, got the carbon battery cover. And one little small detail I did do is I did take off this leg guard right here so you can see this way better and it pops out a lot nicer. Got that bright yellow to it. But that'll be it, guys. Let me know if you guys, you know, want to see other types of content, what you guys really just want to see. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.